Welcome to this video, where I will guide you through how to display the caller's name for calls coming from your contacts on the Viber app. If you want to see who is calling you directly by name, this setting is essential. I will walk you through the simple steps to enable this feature on your phone so you never miss a call without knowing who it is. First, open the Viber app on your phone. Next, tap on More located at the bottom right corner. Then, from the menu, select Settings. After that, tap on Calls and Messages. Next, choose Caller ID from the options available. After that, you will see an option called Show for Calls from Contacts. Tap on this option to proceed. Next, you have the choice to turn on showing the caller's name for incoming calls, outgoing calls, or both. You can select whichever suits your needs best. After making your choice, make sure to tap on Done to save the changes. Finally, once you complete these steps, Viber will display the names of people calling you if they are saved in your contacts. This feature helps you easily identify callers and improves your calling experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.